I'm going to unbox a knife. The Kershaw Brawler 1990X, the 1990X. It has a piece of plastic on the tip. Has some detents so the knife won't fall down in shipping. Just masterful. It has serrations and to and fro. It's multilingual. It has steel. It has a handle. It has a blade. And it can be closed. It's got a liner lock and a reversible pocket clip, two extremely vivid features. It's multilingual. The lifetime is multilingual. The warranty is. And it seems to be made in, made in China. Fabrique in China. Hecko in China. But to somebody just flipping through, they might say, hey, America. Not. So, here we go. Get my knife opener. Ironically, also made in China. Let me get back to you when I'm ready. I didn't know it took so long to open knives. Finally, that knife's getting retired. All right. Anti-theft packaging, really nice. Oh yeah, good hand feel, very good hand feel. It's really thanks to the exploded integrated circuitry. Yeah. Well, there it is. See if I can't cut myself on it in the first minute. I save these. I use these for quotation marks when I'm making signs. I'll put two of them over there and spray over it. That's like a shortcut, for quotation marks on big signs and commas and stuff. There she blows. See what we got for precision. Oh boy. precision, huh? I see. Grinder marks. But hey, Kershaw is supposed to be a respected name. Looks like there's some dried blood on it from factory tests. Get that off of there. Oh my goodness, look at that. You can play ants in the pants right out of the box. Oh wow, this knife's patented. You can't make a knife like this. What do you reckon, after literally thousands of years in existence, that they patented about the knife? Seems pretty cool. Here's how it closes. And it'll help you open it, because it has a spring in it. Watch this. This is like next level stuff, but some people can do that. Thanks for watching.